Are you tired of your designs falling flat? Do you want to take your Canva creations to the next level with eye-catching animations? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to instantly animate your Canva designs like a pro. First things first, open up your Canva account and select the design you want to animate. It could be anything from a social media post, presentation slide, or even a logo. Take a look at the toolbar above the editor. See that magic word? Yep, you guessed it. Animate. Click on it and voila! Animation options will magically appear on the side panel. Select Magic Animate from the options. It's like waving a wand and watching your design come to life. Next up, choose your preferred style. Canva's got your back with recommended styles, but feel free to explore the alternatives too. After all, creativity knows no bounds. What if you change your mind or decide to go back to the drawing board? No worries! Just click Remove Magic Animation to wipe the slate clean and start fresh. And there you have it, animating your entire design in just a few clicks. Canva makes it so easy, you'll be wowing your audience in no time.